Today is a very special day for me to present you the first details of the successor of our very successful Huracán with the internal code Lamborghini 634. And we start with the heart of the car, the engine that will push the bar for engineering masterpieces to another level. Our all-new V8 B-turbo engine is a clean sheet design from our team in Sant'Agata Bolognese with the objective of delivering on one hand performance as well as driving emotions. And I can guarantee to you this twin-turbo V8 combines this celebrated Lamborghini V10 emotional progression through the linear torque curve on one hand with the high power and specific torque of a state-of-the-art new generation turbo engine. But let's take a look at some technical data of the brand new V8. First of all, it's a 4-liter engine with an exceptional specific power output of 200 CV per liter. And the maximum power output is 800 CV. The maximum torque of 730 Nm is delivered in a wide range of revs, with an absolute exciting torque curve similar to that is usually known in race engine. And the maximum rev limit is 10,000 RPM. And this for a B-turbo engine that is really outstanding in the automotive landscape. But let's take a look a little bit more on the mechanical side of the engine. Let's take a look at some typical characteristics. First of all, starting with a flat plane crankshaft. This is typical for high performance engines and generates a characteristic sound. Secondly, the engine is equipped with titanium conrods. These are on one hand reducing the rotational masses and provide on the other hand extraordinary material properties. Furthermore, the engine is equipped with a central direct injection system with a pressure up to 350 bars. To rev up to 10,000 RPM, it's fundamental to have a very stiff valve train. In this engine we have chosen a finger follower valve train like in motorsports, with high stiffness, high precision, maximum revs. The turbochargers are placed inside the V. It's a so-called hot V engine that has several advantages regarding the compactness and as well is improving the thermo as well as the fluid dynamics. Furthermore, the engine is equipped with a dry sump system that is safeguarding the engine lubrication also at very high lateral forces, and this is mandatory if we speak about the engine for a real super sports car. And this masterpiece we combined with an additional electric motor in P1 position. And this is also a very special electric motor because it's an axial flux machine that is oil cooled, has a peak power of 110 kW and a maximum torque of 300 Nm. This seamless integration between the combustion engine on one hand and the electric motor on the other hand results in an outstanding transient behavior as well as an instant response of the drivetrain. So you can be very excited. Stay tuned.